Okay, so in this video, what we're going to do is we are going to initiate a new project that is called mueve.js, and I'm going to call this shorty. And what shorty is actually, let's call it here, shorty is something, a CSS driven file which employs animation, and what I can do is take the camera of the phone and record those animations. Now, because this is green screen, I can just replay you the video, right? So basically, with your camera, you film this thingy, and if you want to create your shorts, all you have to do is go to a file, juk, and edit this part here, the content slide data chunk. So I'm gonna start the video with this is a trick to make YouTube shorts. Okay, and I'm gonna say play this file, record with your camera, with your phone, publish, and go viral, and repeat. Okay, there you go. Let's see how it goes. So it has recorded it. 1, 2, 3. Save. Refresh. There you go. Okay, now I have the video captured here, and you see, and then very easily you can just go and do your shorts. I'm gonna go to YouTube here and then record it and just even publish it as it is. You can just change the backgrounds, whatever the hell you want, and make a video, apply another layer. So that's this project called Shorty, part of WebWorks. So what else I'm going to show you today? I have many WebWorks to show you, and we can use this as a course to start your HTML and how to publish using HTML and CSS and AI, Chat GPT to generate all this content. So we're gonna go back to this project here. Funnel Fold. What is this? It's an HTML and CSS based funnel system. I use it, I created this system, and I have a guide for it, how to work with this system. But basically the idea is you can create funnels in HTML, basically copy and paste, and using a dynamic content creation. I don't want to say AI content creation, but that's what it is, AI content creation. To do that, we use templates, right, for different sections of that funnel. For example, one key section of a funnel will be the fabs, so the feature, the advantages and benefits. When you have this list, you can start thinking in creating your landing page, but also you need like a lead capture paragraph. So that's why this funnel includes a file called lead, which is the main paragraph. Then we're going to have 3 different landing page templates. Lander A, this is one template. This template already has a plugin from Emailer Lite. So you can capture subscribers and send them to a thank you page where they can actually download this. Alternatively, what I did was creating a free download button. However, I was telling you about the landing pages. Let's not go there. So lander A, then you have B, which is the one that we are using, and then we have C, which is kind of the most anorexic version of the landing page. This is another way, right? And what we do is once we decide the template, we index it. So we go to index, and now we have the landing page for that funnel. Okay. What else do you need for this funnel? Well, you might post this in a different kind of listing page, not necessarily your landing page. And if you do that, the listing HTML document is basically your content in a sales letter format, or a listing and a classified ad format. So you can use it, or you can, for example, start thinking in Facebook ads. So you have the ads already prepared with this file, Facebook ad HTML. You want to post an article, no problem. You have an article right here written about that topic, written with AI. Mastering funnel creation. Okay, David, but I'm gonna also need some sort of a, creative, like images. Okay, no problem. What kind of images you need? Let me show you a basic image kit that you're going to need. We're going to need a logo, which you can create directly using HTML. You're going to need a book cover, which would be something like this. You can use a product and description sort of combo image. You can have a YouTube video with a thumbnail. You can have an Instagram post, right? Or you can have a blog article image. You can have the image of a happy user using your product, or a feature of your product, 2 or 3 features, and that's all you need. You have to just go with this image set. Once you have it, you can start dissecting, or if you want this more specific, you can say, hey, I want a cover image. You can download it. I'm going to need a web logo. So I open the web logo creator. It's a logo creator. Download it. How do you create these logos? You might ask. Well, you go to the page source. You can edit this HTML in your editor. This part, you give the properties to your logo in CSS, and you can even take this div web logo all together and apply it. So the logo will be this whole thing, all in CSS. You don't need an image for that. If you want an image, you can make images in Canva or whatever else, but this funnel fold will give you the basics, all right there. In fact, the full directory looks like this. You're going to have media poster. You're going to have a system like this. These are going to be your images, your references, a logo. You need a pay hip cover, media poster, a cover image. You're going to need a YouTube thumbnail. This is kind of the basic image kit that we can make, right? We will create it. We're gonna create it using these all those files, image set. If we go back to here, you see the cover, the 3D box. We want to make the 3D image. There you go, right? We have to take a picture of this image. You want an email? We have an email created here, ready to go. You want to see how the funnel looks like? No problem. This is how the funnel looks like, and you can click each part. Oh, you want to see the art? Okay, the article is like this, right? You good? Oh, you want to see a product specification table? Okay, no problem. This is what it is. As simple as that. You have all these files in HTML, and you deploy it by posting it into your browser, of course, because this is the template. You can even make it slightly simpler, and you can try this other model where you have only a few elements. You're going to need an index, a landing page. You're going to need the listing, the classified. You're going to need an article or a blog post. You're going to need the product itself, and then you're going to need, I don't know what the hell this is, sample. That's like a sample of a page. But this is the product that I'm talking about, PDFables. Okay, so this file in particular, product, is going to be what you download. Now let's go and split screen. Let's bring in Sublime Text. Sublime Text. And then we put it here. Sublime Text. And then we go here. And then we save. And then we kind of like make it slightly bigger. That's what it is. What